Welcome to our channel. Today we how to automate CRM tasks with Salesforce, full guide step by step clearly. To automate CRM tasks with Salesforce, start by logging into your Salesforce account. Navigate to the Salesforce setup menu, typically found in the top right corner of the screen. In the setup menu, locate the quick find box on the left side. Type Process Builder into the quick find box and select it from the options. Click on the New button to create a new process. Give your process a name that clearly defines its purpose. Select the specific object for which you want to automate tasks, such as leads or opportunities. Define the criteria that will trigger the automation. Choose the condition under which the process should start. Next, specify the actions that should occur when the process is triggered. You can select from a range of actions, including creating records, updating records, or sending email alerts. For sending notifications, choose the Send Email action and customize the email template as needed. If you want to create a new record, select Create a Record and fill out the required fields. After defining your actions, click on Save to keep your process. It's important to test your process to ensure it functions correctly. Use the Activate button to enable your process for public use. Monitor the effectiveness of your automation by reviewing the debug logs in Salesforce. Make adjustments as necessary to optimize your process based on feedback and performance. Explore additional automation tools within Salesforce, such as Flow, for more complex automations. Regularly update your processes to keep them aligned with your business needs. By following these steps, you can streamline your CRM tasks using Salesforce automation tools. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.